Hello everyone, so welcome back to the new video, and you can see today we are going to discuss that all vertebrates, they are the chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrate. Okay, so this is a powerful statement. And what does it reflects? It reflects that all vertebrates are chordates. Okay, so this will reflect the taxonomic relationship. Okay, between chordates and the vertebrates. Okay, so chordate is a phylum that will include all the vertebrates as well as some invertebrates also. Okay, so let's talk about the chordates. So students, the chordates are the animal that share the key features. Okay, I will tell you about the key feature. So those species that share this feature at some stage of their life cycle, they are included in the chordates. Okay, so first of all, the chordate will include 4 features. The first one is the notochord. Okay, the chordate species will also have to have the dorsal hollow nerve cord. Okay, pharyngeal slit, and the post-anal tail. So all the species, student, that will have this feature at one or another step of the life cycle, those are included in the chordates. Okay, so the chordate example includes the vertebrates. Okay, that includes the human, birds, and the fishes. Okay, and it also includes the invertebrate like cephalochordates, and the urochordates. Okay, so the example of the cephalochordates includes the lancelets, and the urochordates includes the sea squirts. Okay, so let's now talk about the vertebrates. Okay, we are going to now talk about the vertebrates. So students, a vertebrate, it's a subgroup of chordates. Okay, and in this subgroup is distinguished by the presence of the 3 main features, that is the vertebral column, that is also known as the spine. Okay, the notochord is replaced by a bony or the cartilaginous vertebral column during the development. Okay, in the case of vertebrates, there will be the advanced nervous system. Okay, they will have the brain and the sensory organs, and the third feature is the endoskeleton. So a supportive skeleton that is made up of the bone or cartilage will be present. Okay, so if we take the example of vertebrates, then if we talk about the fishes, then this will include the shark. Okay, and the goldfish also. If we talk about the amphibians, then they will include the frogs and the salamanders. Okay, if we talk about the reptiles, the example include the snakes, turtle also. Okay, and if we talk about the birds, they will include the sparrow or the eagle also. Okay, and last, mammals also. Okay, so mammals, we all know we are mammals, human being. Then there are lions and whales also. Okay, now student, it is very important for you to understand that why all vertebrates are chordates. So I already told you, because all the vertebrates, they will contain the feature, okay, uh, of the chordates, like there is the presence of the notochord. Okay, there will be the dorsal hollow nerve cord. Okay, pharyngeal slit, and the tail, okay, post-anal tail are present. Even some of these features are modified or reduced during the development also, okay. Since the vertebrates meet all the criteria that is to be classified under the phylum Chordata, they are included in the Chordata. Now, the next question what we asked is, why not all chordates are vertebrates? So I already told you there will be a criteria, okay, to become a chordate, but there are certain chordate students that will lack the vertebral column, okay, that is the spine. Now, lack of vertebral column, it will make them invertebrates, okay. Now, these chordate, they will retain the primitive feature, okay. So, they will retain the primitive features such as the notochords, and they will lack the advanced complexity seen in the vertebrates, okay. So, the type of invertebrates, if you talk about, then there are urochordates, okay. So they will exhibit the chordate traits, okay, like they will have the notochord, they will have the nerve cord only during their larval stage, okay. As an adult, they will lose their feature and become sessile, okay. So they will become sessile, okay, in their adult stage, and the example includes the sea squirts, okay. The another example I already told you is the cephalochordates, okay. So the cephalochordate, they will include the lancelets, okay, and they will retain the chordate characteristic throughout their life cycle. They will have a simple body structure without a spine or well-defined head, okay. So this is all about the question that why all vertebrates are chordates, but not all chordates are the vertebrates, okay. So I hope it is clear to you that the chordate, okay, they will exhibit certain features, okay. So all the vertebrates, they will possess the feature that is that will put them under the group of chordates, okay. However, there are few chordates also that will lack some vertebral column, and these are included as invertebrate, okay. So this is all in this video. Thank you for watching the video.